In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of your Phantom wallet, even if your balance currently appears to be zero. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out in the world of cryptocurrency, knowing how to efficiently use a DevNet in Solana can be a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to access test tokens and utilize them effectively without any real financial commitment. So let's dive in. First up, let's get you switched over to the DevNet in your Phantom wallet. Now, for those unfamiliar, the DevNet is essentially a playground for developers. It's a clone of the Solana mainnet, but exists exclusively for testing purposes, allowing you to simulate transacting without risk. To switch, simply open your Phantom wallet. There should be an option to toggle between networks. Select DevNet from the list to make the switch. This change is crucial as it sets the stage for the next steps, where you'll be able to access the faucet and start testing like a pro. Once you're on the DevNet, you'll need to visit a Solana faucet. A faucet is a service that dispenses small amounts of test cryptocurrency for free. It's a lifesaver for developers looking to test their applications. By using a faucet, you can get some fake SOL, which will be available instantly in your wallet. This is incredibly useful because it lets you interact with the Solana blockchain environment as though you were using real SOL, without actually spending any of your own money. With the freshly acquired fake SOL in your wallet, countless possibilities open up. You can dive into testing swaps, allowing you to understand how transactions work between different tokens without worrying about losing any assets. It's an excellent way to familiarize yourself with the trading process on the Solana blockchain. Furthermore, you can browse NFTs, which gives you a practical insight into how buying and selling digital assets works. Again, without the risk of losing actual funds. Another exercise is practicing sending tokens. This is invaluable because it helps you understand the mechanics of transferring cryptocurrency, ensuring that you're confident and mistake-free when dealing with actual assets. Remember, your wallet may look empty to onlookers since it's just a test environment, but you'll have all the tools and knowledge necessary to operate as if everything were real. In summary, utilizing the DevNet is akin to having your very own sandbox, a safe space to experiment, learn, and hone your skills without financial stress. It's the perfect strategy to train like a pro while spending nothing. Embrace the possibilities it offers and watch as your confidence and knowledge grow exponentially, preparing you for the real-world interactions on the Solana blockchain. Thank you for tuning in, and happy testing.